If you're in the market for a top-notch gardening tool set, the gardening tool set with 10 PCS stainless steel hand tools might just be what you need. Constructed from thickened stainless steel, these tools offer remarkable durability and resistance to rust and breakage. The increased thickness ensures exceptional hardness and strength, making them reliable for a variety of gardening tasks. From digging to weeding. One standout feature is the ergonomic design with non-slip rubber handles. These handles are crafted to fit comfortably in your hand, reducing fatigue during extended use. The clear finger grips and palm support make planting, weeding, and digging much more comfortable. The set includes essential tools like a trowel, transplanter, hand rake, weeder, weed knife, folding saw, and 2 pruning shears, all neatly stored in a spacious gardening bag. The bag, made from durable 600D Oxford fabric, is both long-lasting and easy to clean. It features 8 external side pockets and elastic loops to keep your tools organized and readily accessible. For added convenience, the pruning shears come with a spring mechanism and a safety lock to ensure effortless cutting and prevent accidental injuries. This garden tool set not only enhances your gardening experience, but also makes a great gift for gardening enthusiasts, whether for a birthday, holiday, or any special occasion.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.